Hi everybody, this is 12.3, so if you go to your area of a sector notes and label that 12.3, that's what we're dealing with. The area of a sector is a little different than area of the length of an arc. The area of a sector actually finds the area portion of a section of a circle. So if you look, all of this highlighted green is a sector. So you find the area of this region here, or we call this a sector. You find the area of a sector by taking the area of a circle, so we need that formula, and multiplying it by the measure of the actual angle and dividing it by 360, because that's the portion of a circle that this angle is part of. So we need to find that as well. Now if you look here, a segment of a sector is this little shaded region, and that's the segment, this is the portion of the region bounded by the circle's chord and the included arc. So that would be what a segment of a circle looks like. Okay, so to find the area of the sector, we're using this formula here. And if you recall, to find the area of a circle is equal to pi times radius squared. So we have to be given information about the radius and then square that. And if you're not, and you're given the diameter, then you just divide by 2 to find the radius. Okay. So in problem number 1, if the radius of a circle is 9 centimeters, so our radius is 9, which means our radius squared is 81. So that means our area of a circle is 81 pi, because area is pi times radius squared. So we're going to be using this area, 81 pi, in our problem here. So if the radius of a circle is 9 centimeters, what is the area of the sector of AOB? So that means what we're really looking for is this entire shaded region, which we call a sector. I want to know the area of that whole sector. So again, we're going to take area of sector, I'm going to abbreviate that as A of S, is equal to the area of a circle, which is 81 pi, times our angle of 120 degrees, divided by a full entire circle of 360 degrees. So just like last night's notes, if you put 120 divided by 360 in your calculator, times that by 81 and hit math, enter, enter, and we're going to leave pi in our answer, you're going to end up with 27 pi. And centimeters squared, because now we are actually given our units, and our units are in centimeters, so area is squared. Okay. Next, if the radius of a circle is 16 meters, so we're given that the radius is 16, which means we have to find what radius squared is. So 16 squared, I believe, is 256. So we have 256 pi as our area. So we're going to be using that as our area part. So the area of a sector is equal to your area of a circle, which is 256 pi, times the measure of the angle, because what we're really looking for is this entire section of the shaded region here. Again, we call that a sector. So we're looking for that, which is 45 degrees, divided by a full circle of 360 degrees. And if you take 45 divided by 360 in your calculator, and then multiply that by 256, you're going to get 32 pi and meters squared. And that's it. And that's how you find area of a sector. And so your homework tonight is section 12.3. So that's the worksheet you should be doing. And that's all.